Hello and welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered how to turn your plain chicken fillets into something that is mouth-watering in just minutes? Stick around because I'm about to show you the easiest way to make a juicy, buttery chicken that'll have everyone asking for seconds. And there you have it. Golden juicy chicken fillets cooked to perfection. Serve them with rice, veggies, or a side salad, and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and delicious meals. See you in the next video. Bye.